Oh, gosh, how about Pluto?
I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. Nobody's here. Oh, hi, everyone. I'm Sam, by the way, and I'm Mickey's DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here.
Where is everybody?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, my. What do we do?
Oh, I know.
What?
Let's go find them.
Buttons and bows. That's a great idea.
Yeah, sounds good to me, but I'd hate to leave everyone here alone.
We don't have to leave them here. Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
Yeah! All right then, kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves. We're gonna take this party on the road.
Lead the way, Sam.
Oh, luckily, I used to be a tour guide.
You don't say.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Looks like everybody's late for the show.
Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us. We'll switch high and low.
Get on your feet and let's go, go, go.
Everybody, let's go.
Time to party. One more time, let's go, go, let's go, go, go.
Gonna go house to house.
Gonna go door to door.
Let me hear you go.
Gonna search north and south. West to the east to the other, we're gonna get more. 1, 2, 3, 4. House party, so get loud. When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party. When we all know nothing, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast. Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go, go, go. I can hear you. Go, go, go. Time to party. Go, go, go. One more time, let's go, go, let's go, go, go.
So many things to do.
So much magic to make.
Once we find our way to you, we're gonna dance, gonna sing, and you know we're gonna celebrate. Hey, it's a house party,
So get loud.
when it started, we'll find out. It's a house party, when we all know nothing, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast,
Got so much in store.
put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go, go, go.
Almost there.
Go, go, go.
Close to Goofy.
Go, go, go. 3 times, let's go, go, let's go, go.
Gosh, nobody's home.
Oh, are you sure? I can hear them.
Me too. Let's go inside. Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh, I was just about to hop in the shower.
Oh, you're late for the party, Goofy.
I am. Gosh. Let me turn off the water. Oh, wow. Oops, I think something broke.
Oh, I can help. I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Yeah, wait right here. I'll take a look. There's no need to bear a frown.
Makes me want to move around.
Come on, folks, we're rhythm bound.
Can you hear the groovy beat?
Yeah.
Come on now and move your feet. Clap your hands up with the groove.
Get on up and start some.
Dance for the brother bash. Let's all make a big, big splash. Dance around and show your style. All you need is a big smile. It's the bubble boom bash. All these bubbles are making me laugh. I'll have this fixed in a flash.
Stop your feet and wave your hands.
Dance around and show your style.
This might take a little while.
Gosh, thanks, Sam.
Oh, anytime.
Goofy, it's time to go find Daisy.
Gosh, let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
All right, everyone, let's say bye, Goofy.
See you soon.
See you there, Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go. It's a house party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt.
We'll have a blast.
Got so much in store, put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go,
Go, go. Most men. Go, go, go.
Gotta find Daisy.
Go, go, go.
every time. Let's go,
Go,
let's go, go, go.
Daisy! Come on in. I need your help.
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh, my.
Hey, maybe I can help. I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
Tie my shoes.
Daisy, I'm so glad we found you. Me too. Thanks for getting the power back on, Sam.
Oh, no problem.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto. You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
It's a house party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
When we all go knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast. Got so much in store. Put your hands in the air. It's that snow, snow, snow. Hey kids, come on, reach up and try to grab some of that snow. Look at that.
This is fun. So much fun.
Oh yeah, with me there. Hey, we ought to keep this party moving if we're gonna find Pluto. Come on, everybody, let's go, go, go,
Almost there.
go, go, go,
Find Pluto.
go. Now ready to go. Oh, oh. He's under the snow. Oh, hey, I think I can hear him.
We've got to get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Oh, beats me. It never snows in Southern California.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
Oh, I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea. You're a DJ. Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Hot tunes. I think you're onto something, Mickey. Ha-ha! Hey, maybe that can help the snow.
Great idea.
Hey, everyone, listen up. You see these thermometers on either side of us? Well, we need to raise the temperature up in here. So kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves so we can heat things up and melt the snow. Come on. We got to bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat take over your body. We need to warm up the door. Come on now, you know what to do. It's up to me and you. There's only one thing that can break us through the ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising when we're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. the party.
Lead the way.
All right.
Here we go. Keep up, Mickey.
All right now, since we found all of our friends, let's get this party started.
And now, here he is, everybody, our good pal, Goofy. And of course, Pluto. And now that we're all here together,
This is a perfect time. This is a place. Me and my friends are so excited. All right, hold your hands high up in the space. Feel all the magic in the air. It's time to celebrate. Right to the shuffle with the bubbles, we're smart. Keep off the light, we're not afraid of the dark. Nothing can stop us now. We climbed the mountain and we melted the snow. Now we can party and party some more. Everybody out together now. Get up, get started. The party is here at the clubhouse. We're with Mickey Mouse. That's me. There's nothing better when we're together. We'll say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh, oh.
I want to hear you scream it out.
It's a party at the clubhouse.
All your favorite friends are there.
Let's go. Yeah. All right now, everyone. Repeat after me, all right? Go Minnie. Go Minnie. Go Goofy. Go Daisy. Go Pluto. Now make some noise.
We're not afraid of the dark.
Hey, nothing can stop us now.
We climbed the mountain and we melted the snow.
Now we can party and then party some more. Everybody out together now. Get up, get started. The party is here at the clubhouse. We're with Mickey Mouse. There's nothing better when we're together. We'll say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh, oh.
I want to hear you scream it out.
It's a party at the clubhouse.
All your favorite friends are here. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. We forgot to do the hot dog dance. Come on. Come on, kids. We know you know this one. Sing it out, everyone. Now I'd say that's a great way to end our party here at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
See you later.
See ya real soon.
See you, everyone. Have a great day.